Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. G. Swarnalatha, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. The topic which I am going to deliver is the role of commercial banks. First, we can see what do we mean by commercial bank. A commercial bank is a financial intermediary. It accepts the deposits from the surplus units and lends these financial resources to the deficient units. Next, we can see the functions of commercial bank. Modern commercial banks perform a variety of functions and provide a number of services to their customers. They are regarded as departmental store banks because they provide a wide variety of services to their customers. Various functions performed by commercial banks are acceptance of deposits, advancing of loans, credit creation, payment to check, transfer of funds, and other miscellaneous services. Now we can see the definition of bank. Sayer defines bank as an institution whose debts are widely accepted in settlement of other people's debts. According to Crowther, a bank collects money from those who have to spare or who are saving it out their economics and lend this money to who require it. Now we can see the variety of functions. First one is acceptance of functions. Acceptance of deposits. It is a primary function of a commercial bank to accept the deposits from the public. So these acceptance of amount are issued to the public people from the banks. Next one is deposits. So the public people are depositing the money into the bank, whoever have the surplus amount within them. The next one is savings deposits. These deposits are made into savings bank account of the bank. It is the most convenient to the small business people, salaried people, artisans, and people belonging to the low and income groups. The interest paid on these deposits is comparatively low and is around 4% per annum. The next one is term deposits. These deposits are also called deposits because the money is deposited with the bank for a period of time, limited period of time. Deposits can be withdrawn after the expiry of maturity date. Minimum period of deposit is 15 days. Rate of interest varies from 6% per annum to 12% per annum. Next one is cumulative deposits. These deposits are very convenient to those who cannot save huge amount at a time. These deposits carry interest at a rate more than that of savings bank and less than that of the deposits. Next one is payment of loans and advances. Another primary function is payment and advance. Loan and advance. Demand loans and call loans. A demand loan is a loan should be repaid on demand by the bank. It does not have a specified maturity period. The loan is a kind of advance made with or without security. These are also called call loans. Normally, call loans are given to other banks or financial institutions for a day or a few days. Next one is term loans. These are given for a specified period of time. It is sanctioned to businessmen and farmers to finance working capital. It may also receive such loans as personal loans. So they are given against a security. Next one is cash credit. A cash credit refers to an arrangement by which the bank allows the customer to borrow money up to the specified limit from an account opened for the purpose. The customer need not withdraw the entire amount in one installment. Next one is overdraft. This is a facility allowed by the bank to the current account holders. They are allowed to withdraw money with or without security in excess of the balance available in their account up to a limit. Interest is charged on the amount of actual withdrawal. Next one is discounting of bills of exchange. Bill of exchange are undertakings returned by the buyers and given to sellers when the transactions are made on the credit basis. The buyer undertakes to make payment after specified period on or a future date. The traders who possess such bills of exchange with them may approach banks for discounting of the bills of exchange when they need money. Next one is credit card. Nowadays, the banks have devised new methods of giving loans to the customers. One such popular method is issuance of the credit card. The credit card holder can use this card to purchase the goods on credit from specified firms and shops and also withdraw cash subject to certain regulations. Next one is creation of credit. The commercial banks create credit. This is a unique function of commercial bank credit as credited from out of the primary deposits of money the customers received from the public. Particularly, the total amount of these deposits is given as loans and advances to the customers. It should be noted that one single bank cannot create credit. Banking system as a whole can make jointly as a credit. Next one is agent.